what's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play WingRiddenAngel by XXXTentacion. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and also turn on notifications, that way you never miss a new tutorial or else I'll pee in your Cheerios. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. If you want some free stuff, I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So this song is wild. It's kind of out of tune. The way that these rappers do these songs is they're all so weird. So these chords are gonna work for the song. I can't say that they're the exact chords for the song. It's really hard to tell. But I played through this a few times with it, and this sounds like it fits about as close as anything that you're going to be able to play on the guitar. So I'll show you how to get through this. It's 4 simple chords. If you need the diagrams, they will be in the description below in the free ebook called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's a free ebook, 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It's got great stuff in there for beginners, intermediate, and advanced players. All the chord diagrams will be in there, so once you get done with the video, check that out. You're going to start with an open A chord. It's 002200. And then an open C sharp minor, it's 046600. E major, 02210. And then an open B, 024400. It's just those 4 chords that repeat throughout the entire song. The strumming pattern is going to be a super slow down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Throughout all the chords, it looks like this. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.